Morning, all of you. Good morning. So how are you all? I am also fine. So me and my friends discussed about mall shopping and market shopping. So Subi, according to you, which shopping is best for us?
I think both are best for us. It depends on our mentality. How can we purchase things? I think if we have no amount for purchasing any heavy things by malls and any other shops where the things are so costly, and for that the local market is good. So
So what's the main shopping?
shopping means enjoy. When we think about enjoy, then we think first shopping. When we do for shopping at that, we are so happy for shopping, and we have a lot of cleanliness for shopping. So and we also enjoy and we purchasing something for for us. So in your opinion, what's the meaning of shopping?
It's the same. We go for shopping means for festivals, and we enjoy a lot. So that's it.
And where you like to most shopping?
Market shopping.
Yeah, and tell me about something marketing shopping.
When we go market, then we market people means honor so a lot of clothes, and in mall shopping there are not a lot of, they don't watch lot of clothes. That's why I like market shopping, and I always shopping in market.
Yeah, I think in mall you can also saw a lot of things by sellers. Then which thing we like more, then we can watch this thing if you want to watch. And so in mall there's a lot of facilities for us. And also everything's price are too high and we can't afford easily. So and in mall if we want to purchase anything by mall, and we can also go by any vehicles by just like that car and motorbike anything, and there's parking for your vehicles. You can stand your everything carefully, and there's guard safety for your things. So
I don't go any other mall, so I like market shopping. I always do market shopping. I only go a mall in Giror. Means his name is 99 store. There's a lot of thing, means everything is available in that mall.
but I like mall shopping, but I go only mall one time when I went to Kanpur. At the time I went on there, I purchased only some things because there's things price are too high, and so I can't afford easily. When I purchase a burger, its price almost 80 rupees. It is separate, and we all set this burger for eating, and also ice cream. There's a lot of gaming zone. So, but gaming zone also want money. But some games are free for all, so because at that time Diwali offer going on. So that's why.
First time I go means our Beaver, a mall, Ramji Syamji market. So there I go only one time. Buy a kurti for my sister. Then I said, please show me a kurti. He said how much rupees you want to buy a kurti. Then I said, you show, then I tell. Then he show me 16 1600 rupees. Then I like to that kurti. That time we said how much will it cost you give me. Then he said 1600. Then okay, then I don't. If you give me means 1900 rupees, then I said if you want to give, then you give, otherwise I go from here. Then he said you go from here. Then I okay, I don't want to go there. This because of his behavior.
Yeah, this thing is different than marketing shopping, because when we go any mall at there, if we want to purchase something and if we like to purchase this thing, but their price is fixed, you can't less, and we also can't bargain easily. And in market we can bargain easily. If we want to less anyone's price, then we can do this thing easily. And it is not easy for everyone, because some people are so rude, and they are so they are not carrying your things properly. They misbehave in front of you if you purchase anything, and then you want to purchase that thing in a low price. Then they said you want to purchase or not, and this thing use this, and then so I think we can purchase anything by bargain in market easily, but some shops are not like that, where we can't bargain easily. So
You know how to do bargain. You know.
yeah, I know something. When I go with my sister at that time, I want to purchase jhumka, and then I don't know how to bargain. Then she teach me how can I bargain properly. Then its price also almost 250. Then she said it is too high. Then I said it is right, because their quality is too good. And then my sister said you are crazy, you don't know how can bargain. And then I said it is not so, its price is good. Then my sister less half rupees. Then she also agree about this price. How much my sister want to buy. They agree. And I said, how can it is possible? When my sister said, you don't know about bargain, that's why you can't purchase anything in a half pieces. Because if you want to purchase something, for that its price is fixed, but we have to bargain for lesser price. So
I also don't know how to bargain, but my grandmother know how to do bargain. He bargain a lot.
like my mother is like just your grandmother, I think.
So I always went in market with my grandmother, because I don't know how to bargain. He bargain a lot of.
And whenever I want to go market, at a time I also I go with my sister, because she know how to bargain very well. If anyone's try to speak in rude behavior, then she said how your behavior is not good, and many things they use. They also quarrel with them. So she know very well. And my mother is also, whenever I want to go with my mother, then I like anything. Then she said its fabric is not good. If you purchase this dress, then after that you wear this dress. After that, and this may be ruined so easily. That's why I don't want to go with my mother for shopping. And whenever I want to purchase anything, and I also like some things, but she don't like what I like. That's why.
at the time at this time some time ago I went to market with my friend for buy a gift. He saw a flower. Yeah. He saw a flower. I like it. Then he told about means three 350 rupees. Then I said you less some price. Then I buy it. Otherwise you don't less. Then I don't buy it. Then my friend less means 160 rupees. Then he said no, it's not so, it is costly, that's why I don't want to give you. And then he said if you want to give then I take it. My friend said it is only 170 rupees, so you give me. Then he said okay, if you want to like then I give you.
If you purchase something by any shop, there are so people used to say that I don't get a lot of profit if you lessen this price. It is also so. You know about Days Market,
Yeah.
and you like?
I don't go any days market, so
I
don't
know.
about it.
I also don't know what I want to go.
Yeah, I like because there's things are very cheap,
Yeah,
so that's why many people go there.
yeah, for buying it.
Yeah.
I think rich people who have no opportunity for going any big shop also or by mall, they can purchase something good things by Days Market.
You know, our Beaver market is set Wednesday market. You know about?
Yeah.
So tell me about that.
I only know, but I don't go anywhere
I also
in a Days Market. I think in this month my friend also went to purchase something. She purchased a palazzo. It looks so beautiful, and I said her how much it cost. Then she said it's only 150 rupees. Then I said it is so cheap and its quality also good. And she told me about the Days Market. Then we all talks about if we want to purchase something daily routine, then we can purchase. If we want to go any wedding party, any other reception, and for that we have to purchase something by mall and big markets. But if we want to purchase something daily in what we wear daily, for that this market is good. Then her mother said that if you want to go with me, then I whenever I go, then I told you if you want to. Then I said I want to go this market. So I want to
one time I go in days market in Delhi and also Agra, but I don't remember that because that time I am very small.
yeah. So you do.
So tell me about malls honor and market honor behavior.
I think malls honors behavior is good. If you spend a lot of money, at that time its behavior is good.
Yeah.
If you have no money and if you belong to any place, then they think that you are rustic and you have no sense about purchasing anything. And if your dressing sense is not good, so at that time just behavior is not good. If you have a lot of money and you can purchase, then for at that time their behavior is good for you. I think
So according to you, it's right or wrong?
it's wrong according to me.
Because mall honor and market honor, they always behave good all peoples
Yeah.
with all people.
Yeah, marketing owners are also good. They behave good or bad both. It's depend on your mentality. How can you bargain and how can you purchase things?
You know, market honor always keep a smile all time.
Yeah.
Why it's so?
Because if you keep smiling towards anyone, then people thought that he respect me and you want to that I purchase something by her market and by his market. So that's why. If you keep smiling on your face, that will attract with you. And if you have a talent for attracting, then you can increase your honor. I think so. And days market and also local shopping, it's good because we have a lot of enjoy. And street food we can eat street food and we enjoy a lot whenever we eat something.
Yeah,
family.
if we like, if we are not like one shop, then we go other shop.
Yeah, but in mall, if we don't like that, we can't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Because they said you purchase or not. They said only this thing, you purchase or not. If you don't want, then go.
Then you go from here.
Yeah, this thing too happened a lot. But in marketing, then if I don't purchase, we want to purchase, then what you need and why you don't like this thing, to tell me please what the reason. They use a lot of things.
I watch you another cloth. You please purchase anything from here.
Yeah. So, and also, and you like shopping. There's a two types of shopping we purchase for only ourselves, and other shopping we purchase for all. This shopping you like,
Ourselves.
yeah.
And also others.
Because,
If my grandmother and parents don't went in market, that time I purchase anything for others.
Yeah, and I also like to purchasing something for my family, and also some things is when any occasions happen at a time, we purchase something for our family's members, and at a time I feel very good, and at a time I shopping lonely, and I don't need anyone at a time. And you like to lonely shopping.
No, because I like, but my parents don't give me this opportunity to go to went market and only purchase anything.
I think that some parents don't allow it is so.
I have only one opportunity to go to come here for reading.
Yeah. I have an opportunity for many things. I can also go to market for purchasing something because whenever my mother needs something, then she said go market and purchase this thing. So this is my habit. I purchase something. So I know this thing very well. You want to speak? Which shopping do you like most?
Soft shopping.
Tell me about what?
I like most market shopping because I also do market shopping.
Yeah. So tell me about marketing shopping.
Market shopping is too good because I go to Alisa shop.
Yeah, I know about this shop. I also purchase clothes like this.
I stand.
And you don't like?
Yeah, I also like when the fair is said, that time I go 3 and 4 time I go in fair because there's a lot of fun.
Yeah. First time I go with my family. After that, when my friend said you want to go with me there, then I go. So, and when it's my birthday, at that time I I go with my friend in fair, and she spend a lot of money, and she don't take any rupees by me, because she said your birthday you enjoy your day, and I spend, so I enjoy a lot at that time.
When I go in fair, that time I only go for swing. Not means I purchase something, but I enjoy a lot of in swing.
Yeah, swing is a good way for
Yeah.
enjoy. Which swings you like most? Swings. Which? High swing.
Sky swing.
Yeah. And I like break dance.
Yeah, I also like.
Yeah, this swings is very good.
Yeah.
I think that when we sit, then it start at that time we have a fair, and we scary about this, and we also touch each other. At that time, it's a lot of fun, and also many swings are held on there. I like all, but I like most break dance. So, and which thing you like most in fair for eating?
Water balls.
I also. Any other things you don't like?
No, I only eat water balls in fair, because many fruits are means many fruits are many people sell uncooked in fair, mostly Kesidar
Because
happen.
there's a lot of hasting about people, so they make haste.
Yeah.
So that's why they uncook everything. They remains everything uncooked.
Yeah.
And they work very fastly, that's why. So, but I like water balls most, because it's no hectic for anything, and it's not uncooked, and you prepared at home, that's why.
So which shopping you like most? Means mall shopping and local market shopping.